Made with high-quality materials, the soft nylon woven mesh material is perfect for gently scooping fish. Allows for easy fish tank maintenance. Great to use in either a freshwater fish tank or a saltwater fish tank. Handle is 10 inches, 25 centimeters long, allows for easy reach. The Marina Fish Net provides a wide variety of features for making maintenance work in the aquarium very convenient. Its tightly woven mesh makes this fish net ideal for skimming the surface of the aquarium. The fine soft nylon mesh reduces the risk of your fish trapping its gills or barbs. The plastic-coated handle ensures a safe, comfortable grip. The fishnet handle comes in a variety of sizes, enabling you to reach deep into your fish tank for easy maintenance. Available in multiple net sizes and handle sizes, sold separately. For more fish tank accessories, check out the other Marina products including aquarium filters, filter media, aquarium heaters, aquarium air pumps, aquarium plants, aquarium decorations, aquarium lights, aquarium rocks, aquarium thermometer, and aquarium stands. Marina has a wide variety of products that are perfect for your pet fish or betta fish to enjoy in any large fish tank, small fish tank, or in a freshwater tank. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for my pool. My husband laughed at me for purchasing this fishnet for our pool, but now I find him using it too. It's great for capturing small bugs and wasps that have flown into the pool, and not wanting to get out of the pool and get the big net. I hung this on a hook along the edge of pool on a post. I can easily reach it when needed.